Today we're going to be looking at new business events. When a significant piece of work is happening for a particular client, you have the ability to log this as a new business event. You can do this either directly at a client level, or from the plan itself if plan related. We're going to add a new business event against an investment plan. To add a new business event, first select the desired client and then choose which plan. From their plan record, select New Business Events and Add, or use the Add drop-down and choose New Business Event. The following modal then appears asking for further details. Within the event details, you can log the type of contribution happening, with a text field on the right for any notes. The advisor field should be pre-filled with the advisor against the plan, but you can select another advisor here if appropriate. Moving further down, you can select the advice type and the method by which this business was carried out. After this, choose the client's source of funds. If you select Other, then you are required to add in further notes. We can then enter the premium amount and premium frequency. Select the status of the event, either proposed or accepted, and input the proposal date and the start date. Finally, for this section, you have the options to link a case if you wish, and specify the client's vulnerability. The vulnerability will pre-populate if already entered against this client. You can then select Next to switch to the last tab, Product Information. As this event was added from a plan, this area will be pre-filled. You can select if this was replacing an existing plan, and if so, which plan and any further details. If entering from a pension plan, an additional question will be visible asking if the client opted out from an employer-sponsored pension scheme to take out the plan, and if yes, the opt-out date and any notes. Once you're happy with the details you've inputted, you can go ahead and create. You're then taken to the New Business Events tab in the plan record. This is also now visible against the client record, where you can see the event just created with any others logged against this client. If you have many events, you can use the Select More filters at the top and filter for the one that you want using filters like Provider, Status and Start Date range. Under the Actions column, you have the ability to edit or delete the event as required. All the new business events created within Plannr are reportable within the Reporting/Exports area, where you will find both a new business export and a new business summary report. And that's adding a new business event in Plannr.